Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can check the version history of files and photos inside your Microsoft OneDrive account. So let us get started. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to OneDrive, navigate to My Files here in the top left, and next select this folder here to the left and go through library and click into the given file here into these three dots and select version history. That is going to open up that menu here. So from here, guys, you can go through the version history, see the modification date listed below. If you have, for example, added changes or edits to the given file, modified it, you will see that listed here, so that you may, for example, click into these three dots here and select open file. And that's it, guys. That's how we check the version history of files in OneDrive. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.